High blood pressure doesn't always come with symptoms, but over time, it silently affects your heart, your arteries, your brain, and your energy. The good news: nature already provides powerful herbs that help support healthy blood pressure, gently and effectively. Here are 7 herbs that can help lower your blood pressure naturally. The first herb is garlic. Its active compound, allicin, relaxes blood vessels and supports healthy circulation. The second herb is hibiscus. Hibiscus tea acts like a natural ACE inhibitor, helping reduce both systolic and diastolic pressure. The third is hawthorn berry. Used for centuries, it strengthens the heart, improves blood flow, and supports steady blood pressure. The fourth herb is ginger. Ginger relaxes the muscles around blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing tension. The fifth is basil extract. Rich in eugenol, basil helps prevent blood vessel constriction, a major cause of elevated pressure. The sixth herb is celery seed. It's known for its diuretic effect, helping your body eliminate excess fluid and reduce pressure naturally. And the seventh herb is flaxseed. Packed with omega-3s and lignans, it helps reduce inflammation and supports a healthier heart. These herbs are powerful, but they work best alongside a healthy lifestyle, stress management, and balanced nutrition. Your blood pressure is one of your body's most important signals. Support it daily, and your heart will thank you for years to come. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural wellness guidance, and follow at Behealfit_com for daily tips.